And now to Orange County, where 3 people died and 4 were hospitalized after being overcome by carbon monoxide.
And this afternoon, we're learning more about those victims, 2 of whom are just teens. Amanda Castro live in Orange County along Eggleston Avenue. Amanda, what else are you learning about these victims?
Yeah, Justin, they were just 13 and 16 years old. 2 of those victims were told that they were staying with multiple generations of their family here inside this home yesterday when that generator was running. Now, deputies identified those victims today as 13-year-old Jan LeBron Diaz, 16-year-old Kiera LeBron Diaz, and 34-year-old Desiree Diaz Molina. Deputies tell us that the generator is running somewhere inside the main living area of this home. And when fire rescue came out to the scene, they got a call, 911 call. When they arrived, they said that they found several people suffering from carbon monoxide poisoning symptoms. Now, some good news out of this today. 4 of those victims that were sent to the hospital were told that they are expected to be okay, so some good news coming from that. Now, we did reach out to the medical examiner's office to determine if carbon monoxide poisoning was the cause of death. We're told that the autopsy reports aren't completed yet. It could take up to 90 days to get that back. But we did hear from a family member of the victims. They retweeted us this morning saying rest in peace to their aunt and their cousins. Justin?
Terrible situation, Amanda. Thank you.